Welcome to your daily dose of English by Langmaster. Let's practice 50 useful and professional business English phrases with 150 following examples. Writing emails. Follow up. To check in, remind, or provide an update. Example: I'm following up on the proposal I sent last week. Just following up on our meeting yesterday. Can you follow up on the email I sent? Please find attached. Used when sending a file in an email. Example: please find attached the project report. Please find attached the file we discussed. Please find attached the updated document. Get back to. To reply or respond later. Example: I'll get back to you by tomorrow. Can you get back to me with your answer? Thanks. I'll get back to you soon. Look forward to. To feel happy or excited about something in the future. Example: I look forward to your reply. We look forward to working with you. I'm looking forward to the meeting. In regard to. About a specific topic. Example: I'm writing in regard to our meeting last week. In regard to your request, here is the information. Do you have any updates in regard to the project? As per our discussion. According to what we talked about earlier. Example: as per our discussion, I've sent the documents. As per our call, the deadline is Friday. Here is the file, as per our meeting. Keep me posted. To update someone with new information. Example: please keep me posted on the progress. Keep me posted if anything changes. I'll keep you posted on the results. Follow the thread. To continue the topic in an email chain. Example: please follow the thread below for details. Let's continue this in the same email thread. You can follow the thread to see our discussion. Speaking in a meeting. Bring up. To introduce a topic or issue for discussion. Example: I'd like to bring up a point about the deadline. She brought up an idea we hadn't considered. Let's bring this up in the next meeting. Chime in. To add your opinion during a discussion. Example: feel free to chime in at any time. Can I chime in with a quick comment? She chimed in to agree with the speaker. Raise a concern. To express a worry or issue. Example: I'd like to raise a concern about the budget. He raised a concern about the delivery time. Let me raise one concern before we continue. Go over. To review or explain something again. Example: let's go over the main points. Can we go over the results once more? We went over the feedback in the meeting. Make a point. To share a meaningful comment or opinion. Example: You made a great point about teamwork. I'd like to make a quick point here. Let me make a point before we move on. Move on. To continue to the next subject. Example: Let's move on to the next item. Shall we move on to the budget discussion? We can move on after this question. Cut in. To interrupt someone while they're speaking. Example: Sorry to cut in, but may I clarify that? He cut in before I could finish. Please don't cut in during presentations. Circle back. To return to a topic later. Example: Let's circle back to that point after the break. We can circle back if we have time. She asked to circle back to her question. Wrap up. To finish the meeting. Example: Let's wrap up in the next 5 minutes. We wrapped up the meeting early. Can we wrap up after this last point? Solving problems. Run into. To face an unexpected problem. Example: We ran into a technical problem today. They ran into trouble during testing. Have you run into any issues? Figure out. To understand or find a solution. Example: We need to figure out what went wrong. She figured out how to fix the error. Let's figure this out together. Deal with. To take action to solve or manage a situation. Example: I'm dealing with a client issue right now. Let's deal with this before the deadline. How should we deal with this problem? Find a workaround. To find a temporary or alternative solution. Example: We found a quick workaround for now. Is there any workaround we can use? Let's use this workaround until it's fixed. Talk it through. To discuss a problem in detail to solve it. Example: Let's talk it through before we decide. We talked it through and found a fix. Do you have time to talk this through? Come up with. To create or suggest an idea to fix something. Example: We need to come up with a better plan. He came up with a creative solution. Can you come up with something by Monday? Talking with colleagues. Give a heads up. To warn or inform someone ahead of time. Example: Just giving you a heads up, the client is coming early. Thanks for the heads up about the change. Can you give me a heads up next time? Run something by. To check with someone before making a decision. Example: Can I run this idea by you? Please run it by your supervisor first. He ran the plan by the team before starting. Back up. To support someone. Example. Can you back me up during the meeting? He backed up his teammate with facts. I'll back you up if anyone disagrees. Catch up with. To talk after some time or to update each other. Example. Let's catch up over coffee later. We caught up after the long holiday. I need to catch up with Sarah about the report. Get along with. To have a good relationship. Example. I get along well with my team. Do you get along with your manager? They don't get along very well. Break the ice. To start a friendly conversation. Example. Let's play a game to break the ice. She told a joke to break the ice. It's hard to break the ice with new colleagues. Keep someone in the loop. To keep someone updated with important info. Example. Please keep me in the loop on any changes. I'll keep you in the loop after the meeting. She likes to stay in the loop about projects. Bounce ideas off. To share and discuss ideas. Example. Can I bounce some ideas off you? We bounced ideas off each other all morning. She needs someone to bounce ideas off. Communicating with your manager. Seek approval. To ask for official permission or agreement. Example. We need to seek approval before moving forward. Did you seek approval for the new plan? I'll seek your approval before sending this. Ask for clarification. To ask for more explanation. Example. Can I ask for clarification on the deadline? She asked for clarification about the goal. I need clarification before I start. Follow instructions. To do what someone has told you to do. Example. I'll follow your instructions carefully. Make sure to follow the instructions step by step. He followed the manager's instructions exactly. Ask for feedback. To ask what someone thinks about your work. Example. Can I ask for your feedback on this? I'd like to hear your feedback before I continue. Please give me feedback when you have time. Take responsibility. To accept that you are in charge of something. Example. I'll take full responsibility for the delay. She took responsibility for the task. We take responsibility for this part of the project. Report to. To officially report your work to a manager. Example. I report directly to Ms. Nguyen. Who do you report to on this team? He reports to the project manager. Flag. To raise or highlight a problem. Example. I'd like to flag a small issue with the timeline. Please flag anything that needs attention. She flagged a risk in the budget. Discussing with clients. Handle a request. To take care of a client's question or need. Example: We'll handle your request as soon as possible. She's handling a request from a new client. Can you handle this client request today? Address a concern. To respond to a client's worry or issue. Example: Let me address your concern about the pricing. We're working to address all client concerns. I'd like to address a concern raised in the last feedback session. Confirm the details. To make sure all the information is correct. Example: Can you confirm the details of the order? We confirmed the delivery date with the client. Let's confirm all the details before sending. Apologize for the inconvenience. To say sorry politely for a problem. Example: We apologize for the inconvenience caused. I'd like to apologize for the inconvenience you experienced. We truly apologize for the inconvenience. Meet expectations. To do what the client hopes or requires. Example: We work hard to meet client expectations. Did the product meet your expectations? They met all the client's expectations. Keep informed. To give updates and share new information. Example: We'll keep you informed about the progress. Please keep the client informed at all times. The manager kept everyone informed. Follow through. To complete something you promised to do. Example: We always follow through on our promises. She followed through with the solution. The team didn't follow through, and the client was upset. Send over. To send something to someone, usually by email. Example: I'll send over the contract today. Can you send over the presentation slides? They sent over the final report this morning. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. Your words will be more professional. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.